Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect Canva to your Wix website from start to finish. By following along, you'll learn to harness Canva's creative power to design a custom website template and then easily embed it into your Wix site. Whether you're looking to upgrade your business homepage, launch a portfolio, or just experiment with stunning visuals, you'll leave this tutorial fully confident and ready to show off your new look. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're new to Canva, it's totally free and super intuitive, so don't worry if you haven't used it before. On Canva's homepage, look for the section called Code for Me. This is a relatively new feature, and it's designed to bridge the gap between design and code. Handy, right? Once you've found Code for Me, click on it. You'll see an interface where you can type in what you're looking for. In the input box, type, "Give me website template." What you're doing here is instructing Canva's AI to generate a complete website template in code form. This is so much easier than starting from scratch, especially if you're not a coding expert. Now, depending on the complexity of your request and your internet speed, Canva may take a little time to generate the code. This part might require a bit of patience, so grab a coffee, take a breath, let it work its magic. You'll notice a loading bar or a spinning icon. That simply means Canva is processing your design and translating it into a neat chunk of code for you. Once the code appears, take a quick look to make sure it matches what you had in mind. Sometimes Canva's AI will generate something with placeholders for text or images, which you can easily modify later. If it looks good, go ahead and select the code. I recommend clicking inside the code box, highlighting everything, and then right-clicking to hit Copy. You definitely want to make sure you've got every single line, because missing even a single character can cause errors later. With your code safely copied, it's time to move over to Wix. Open up your Wix editor, the place where you build and customize your site. Now, the magic happens with Wix's ability to embed custom code. Look to the sidebar for the Add Element option. It's usually represented by a plus icon. Click that and scroll until you find Embed Code. If you don't see it immediately, use Wix's search bar to bring it up. It's really straightforward once you know where to look. Click on Embed Code, and you'll get a box, kind of like a blank canvas, ready to be filled. Just paste the code you copied from Canva directly into this box. Wix makes it super easy. No need for any special coding skills here. Once you've pasted it, go ahead and hit Preview. This allows you to see exactly how your Canva design template looks on your live Wix site. This is a crucial step. Make sure everything lines up just how you want it. If anything looks off, maybe the colors or layout aren't perfect, don't worry. You can go back and tweak either the design in Canva or the embed settings in Wix. And there you have it. You've successfully connected a Canva website template directly to your Wix site. With this workflow, you get the best of both worlds: Canva's design freedom and Wix's easy hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or comments below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!